Hey ladies! Welcome back to Fiercely Feminine, where we talk about all things femininity, faith, fashion, and self-improvement. Today we're going to discuss how to be an organized woman. In this video, we'll be sharing 18 habits that will help you streamline various aspects of your life. Organization is a powerful tool that allows you to focus on what truly matters, leading to a more refined and purposeful lifestyle. So, grab a cup of coffee or tea, find a cozy spot to relax, and let's get started. 1. Set clear goals. Clearly define your short-term and long-term goals. This clarity will guide your daily and weekly activities, helping you stay focused and organized. 2. Establish a morning routine. Wake up early to give yourself a head start. A calm and purposeful morning sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. 3. Mindful activities. Incorporate activities like quiet time, prayer, worship, journaling, reading, or exercise into your morning routine to enhance your mental, spiritual, and physical well-being. 4. Create to-do lists. Make to-do lists for each day the evening before. Prioritize tasks and break them down into manageable steps. This ensures that you stay organized and focused on your priorities and achieve everything you've set out to accomplish for that day. 5. Declutter regularly. Embrace a minimalist mindset. Regularly declutter your living and workspace to create a clean and organized environment. Donate items you no longer need or discard things that contribute to clutter. 6. Use organizational tools. Utilize planners and calendars to keep track of appointments, deadlines, and events. This helps you stay organized and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. You can also use digital organizational tools and apps for task management and scheduling. Whether it's physical or digital planning, find what works best for your preferences and lifestyle. 7. Designate specific work zones. As tempting as it can be to work from bed, it will blur the lines between productivity and relaxation. So make sure to designate specific areas for different activities. Have a dedicated workspace for productivity and a separate space for relaxation. 8. Time blocking. Implement time blocking to allocate specific time slots for different tasks. This helps in managing your time efficiently and prevents multitasking. 9. Scheduled self-care. Include self-care activities in your schedule. Prioritize your well-being by scheduling time for activities that contribute to your health and that also rejuvenate and relax you. 10. Meal planning. Plan your meals for the week in advance. This helps in creating shopping lists and ensures that you have nutritious and balanced meals ready to go, which will save you a lot of extra time and decision making during the week. 11. Automate and delegate. Automate repetitive tasks whenever possible. This can include bill payments, subscriptions, and other routine activities. 12. Weekly reflections and regular reviews. Set aside time at the end of each week to reflect on your accomplishments and to assess areas that need improvement. This habit helps you refine your organizational strategies over time. 13. Effective boundaries and learning how to say no. Learn to say no to commitments that don't align with your priorities. This ensures that you focus on your priorities and what truly matters to you. 14. Mindful tech usage. Schedule regular digital detoxes to unplug and connect with the real world. Limit screen time and establish boundaries to prevent technology from overwhelming your life, and start embracing more moments of slow and intentional living. 15. Incorporate a daily gratitude practice. Take a moment each day to thank God and reflect on the things that you are grateful for. This positivity can enhance your mindset and keep you focused on the bright side of life. 16. Finances and budgeting. Implement a clear budget to manage your finances effectively. Spend time learning more about finances, track your expenses, prioritize savings, and stay organized with your financial goals. 17. Consider adopting a capsule wardrobe. Curate a collection of versatile, high-quality pieces that can be mixed and matched, reducing decision fatigue and promoting an elegant and intentional style. 18. Monthly assessments. Set aside time at the end of each month for a more in-depth reflection. Assess your progress, celebrate achievements, and adjust goals if needed. And also lay out a vision and a plan for the month ahead. This regular reflection helps you stay aligned with your goals and aspirations. Remember, the key is consistency and a mindful approach to these habits. Tailor them to fit your lifestyle and preferences, and enjoy the journey of becoming a more organized and elegant woman. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join our community. Also, consider checking out our Patreon community to join like-minded women who are also focused on all things elegance, femininity, faith, and self-improvement. Until next time, stay fiercely feminine.